we invite you to a salvation, deliverance, healing, and restoration crusade titled Take Up Thy Bed, featuring Pastor Victor Emediang and other anointed ministers. The crusade will be held at the North Laurel Community Center, 9411 Whiskey Bottom Road, Laurel, ND, 20723, on Saturday, August 24, 2024. The crusade will start at 5 p.m. through 8 p.m. Bring friends and family. Everybody is welcomed. See you there.
You are the source of my strength. You are the strength of my life. You are my hope and my joy. Lord, you are my confidence. Somebody say we are close. Oh God, we exalt you.
You are my magnificent obsession, object of my desire, and love divine. Yes, you are, Lord. You are my magnificent obsession, object of my desire, and love divine. Oh, tell me, how can I love you more, see you more?